First of all, open the site python.org download. Click on Download Python 3.10.0, the latest version for Windows. File is downloaded. Click on the file for installation. It will take few minutes to install. Python, a complete high-level powerful interactive language, is free of cost, which offers the combination of powerful numerical models. The readable and clean code base will help you to maintain and update the software without putting extra time effort. The programming paradigms and language features help you to use Python to develop large and complex software applications. Though it is slow, but you can speed up by making changes to the application code or using custom runtime. Python is very popular because of its simple programming syntax, code readability, and English-like commands. Python is enough to get a job, but you have to be skilled. We will discuss about Python programming for numerical methods in the series of video lectures. There you will find the programming about linear algebra and system of linear equations, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, least square regression, interpolation, series, root finding, numerical differentiation, numerical integration, ordinary differential equation, and Fourier transform. To reach that level, we will concentrate on introduction to basics of Python, operators, variables, and basic data structure, conditional statements, functions, looping constructs, branching statements, iteration, lists, representation of numbers, dictionaries, errors, standard libraries, reading and writing data, reading a CSV file, data frames, and basic operation with data frames, indexing data frame, visualization, and plotting. Python installation is successful. In the next video lecture, we will discuss about the introduction of basics of Python.